ॐ पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। दीपकं ग्रेड 7 द्वितीयः पाठः सेकेंड चैप्टर। नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज नित्यं पिबामः सुभाषितरसम्। नित्यम always, pibamah we drink, subhashitarasam essence of good sentences, essence of great people's word. महोदयः अस्माकं विद्यालयस्य भित्तौ अयोग्यः पुरुषो नास्ति योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभः इति लिखितमस्ति। अस्य कः भावः इति कृपया बोधयतु। महोदय, सर, अस्माकं विद्यालयस्य भित्तौ ऑन द वॉल ऑफ आवर स्कूल इति लिखितम् अस्ति। दिस इज रिटन व्हाट अयोग्यः पुरुषः नास्ति। There is no unfit person. There is no useless person. Then what is rare? Tatra, there. Yojakah durlabhah, the appointer, person who will appoint is rare. The employee is the rare thing. Asya kah bhavah? What is the bhavah meaning? Kah, what is the meaning of this? Krupaya bodhayatu. Please enlighten us. Teacher says, Bho Sushile, O Sushila, Asya bhavarthah asti. Meaning of this is Yat asmin jagati kopi ayogyah nasti. Little bit explanation of what we saw here. Yat, that, asmin jagati, in this world, kopi, no one, ayogyah nasti, no one is unfit. Everyone is useful for some or the other things. Sarve yogyaha santi, all are eligible, all are fit, perfect for some or the other thing. Parantu, but Prerakasya, the motivator, Margadarshakasya, guiders, Abhavah asti. There is absence, lack of the motivators and the guiders. Otherwise, everyone is equally potential. Manyavar, अहम अपि विद्यालयस्य परिसरे एतादृशं श्लोकं पठितवती। अहम I पठितवती read also I also read what एतादृशं श्लोकम this kind of verse कुत्र विद्यालयस्य परिसरे in the premises of school. So, oh sir, oh, respected sir, I also read these kind of shlokas in the premises of the school. Rame, etani subhashitani santi. O Rama, these are subhashita, well sayings, great sayings. अस्माकं चिंतन विकासाय एव एतानि सुभाषितानि विद्यालयस्य परिसरे स्थापितानि। अस्माकं आर चिंतन विकासाय टू डेवलप थिंकिंग, टू एनहांस थिंकिंग ओनली एव एतानि सुभाषितानि, दीज well said things are put or written in the premises of school. स्थापितानि put. महोदय, सुभाषितानि इत्यनेन कः अभिप्रायः? महोदय, सर, सुभाषितानि, by this word सुभाषित, इत्यनेन, by this word, कः अभिप्राय, what do you want to communicate, what is your idea, अभिप्रायः about this सुभाषित? वत्स, ओ girl, ओ daughter, मानवानां विविधमूल्यानां विकासाय श्रेष्ठजनैः उक्तानि सुवचनानि एव सुभाषितानि। वत्स, ओ सन, मानवानां विविधमूल्यानां विकासाय, विकासाय टू डेवलप, टू एनहांस different virtues, qualities of human beings by great people, uktani suvachanani, said great words, eva subhashitani. So subhashitani, the great words, well said things are nothing but the words which are mm, uttered by great people for the development of different virtues, qualities of human beings. श्रीमन्, सुभाषितानां पठनेन कः लाभः? श्रीमन्, ओ सर, सुभाषितानां पठनेन, by reading, understanding these subhashitas, कः लाभः, what is the benefit? प्रिय सुरेश, ओ डियर सुरेश, सुभाषितानां पठनेन, by reading these well said words, अस्माकं, our, नैतिक, moral, सामाजिक, social च विकासः भवति. By reading these words, we develop moral and societal uh, qualities. We develop those two aspects, which is about morals and ethics of life, and samajik, how to live in this society. Can you explain little bit more? Yes. Asmabhihi kim kartavyam, what should be done by us? Kincha na kartavyam, what should not be done by us? Subhashitani bodayanti. Subhashitani, they tell us, they make us understand what we should do, what we should not do. Aho, oh, vayam api subhashitani patitum ichhamah. We also want to study, wish to study Subhashitani, these well said verses we want to study. Krupaya asman pathayatu. Please teach us. Samichinam, very good. Tari vayam subhashitanam rasam pibamah. Tari, then vayam, we all, subhashitanam rasam, essence of this well verses, pibamah, drink. वस्त्रेण वपुषा वाचा विद्यया विनयेन वा वकारैः पञ्चभिर्युक्तः नरो भवति पूजितः वस्त्रेण वपुषा वाचा विद्यया विनयेन च वकारैः पञ्चभिर्युक्तः नरो भवति पूजितः. The shloka in short says that a person who is endowed with five vakara, that person will be worshipped by people. So let us find out what are those five words. Vastrena Vapusha Padacheda. Then sandhis are divided. It is called parsing. Okay. Vastrena Vapusha Vacha Vidyaya Vinayena cha Vakarahi Panchabhihi. You see, Panchabhir is in shloka, but when you divide them, when you parse them, then Panchabhihi Yuktaha Ratva Sandhi. Please refer to my sandhis. नरः भवति पूजितः. Listen this. Now Anvaya, rearranging the word so that proper meaning comes. वस्त्रेण वपुषा वाचा विद्यया विनयेन च इति एतैः पञ्चभिः वकारैः युक्तः नरः पूजितः भवति. Person who has this five v. One is vastrena, what to wear. Vapusha, good health. Vacha, sweet speech, pleasant speech. Vidyaya, knowledge of everything. Vinayena, humility. If someone is endowed with all these five qualities, he is worshipped by many people. Let us see Bhavartha. Bhavartha means little bit explanation of shloka in Sanskrit only. Let us see that. Yah janah, the one, a person, samuchitani vastrani dharati. Samuchitani, appropriate clothes. If someone is wearing, people will bow down to him. There are people who don't know what to wear, how short it should be. They don't know. We don't know, do they wear clothes to hide their body parts or to uh, ex what expose their body parts? We don't know. Sharirena swastha, by body fit and fine. Sada sumaduram hitakaram cha vachanam varadi. Sada, always sweet, good for others. Vachanam vadati, says sentences. सर्वदा अध्ययने संलग्नः भवति. Always, one who is always संलग्नः, engaged in study. तथा च, and also विनम्रतया च व्यवहरति. With humility व्यवहरति, transact with people. तादृशं पंचभिः वकारैः, that kind of five vakara, five वस्त्रं वपु वाक् विद्या विनय इति एतैः युक्तः मनुष्यः. एतैः, by this, if someone is endowed, that manushya, a person, loke, in this world, sammanam prapnoti, gets honor, receives respect. Now they are going to point out five, six, the defects in human beings. Very important, very nice. षड्दोषाः पुरुषेण पुरुषेनेह हातव्या भूतिमिच्छता. निद्रा तन्द्रा भयं क्रोधः आलस्यं दीर्घसूत्रता. षड्दोषाः पुरुषेणेह हातव्या भूतिमिच्छता. निद्रा तन्द्रा भयं क्रोधः आलस्यं दीर्घसूत्रता. पदच्छेदः, dividing, separating sandhis. षड् दोषाः पुरुषेण इह हातव्याः. There is no visarga, but there is visarga lopa sandhi. Because of that, visarga has gone. But in padached it has come. Bhutim ichchata. Nidra tandra bhayam krodha alasyam dirgha sutrata. Now Anvaya, iha bhutim ichchata purushena. Nidra tandra bhayam krodha alasyam dirgha sutrata cha iti ete shad doshaha hatavyaha. Shloka says, if someone wants prosperity in their life, then six things should be eliminated from one's own character or from one's own personality. Now, iha bhutim ichchata purushena nidra tandra bhayam krodha al krodha alasyam dirgha sutrata iti ityete षड् दोषाः हातव्याः. षड् dosha, six defects, hatavyaha, should be eliminated. should be casted from ourselves. Why? Bhutim ichhata purushena. If a person is desiring prosperity, then what? Nidra, oversleeping. Tandra, Tandra, uh, dozing off. Tandra means dozing off. Let us check. I forgot. Tandra, so always dozing off. Like the Tandra, yes. Lassitude, yeah, yeah, yeah. Lassitude, so always dull. One is always sleeping, another is always dull. Hmm. And bhayam, fear, that also should be casted from our personality, and anger and laziness. Asmasu, in ourselves. Nidradayah, nidra, etc. Shad doshaha bhavanti. Six defects are there. Ete, these defects, अस्माकं ऐश्वर्यस्य उन्नतेश्च अवरोधकाः भवन्ति. These are अस्माकं, our, ऐश्वर्यस्य उन्नतेश्च, of our prosperity and growth. They are the barrier, they are the hindrances in our growth and in our prosperity. अतः, therefore, यदि मानवः स्वजीवने धनिकः, if a man wants to become rich in one's own life, in this life, vidwan va bhavitum ichhati, or he want to become a great scholar, then aishwaryam, prosperity, vaibhavam, vaibhavam, again the prosperity kind of thing. Vaibhavam, like so many things. There is nothing lacking. Big house, so many cars, good job. Vaibhavam cha praptum vanchati. If he wants to get that, tari, then saha atinidram. Saha, he, atinidram, oversleeping. Tandram, the lassitude, always dozing dull. Bhitim, fear. Krodham, anger. Alasyam, laziness. Vilambena karanasya pravrutim, procrastination. Vilambena, late. Karyasya karanam, by doing of work. Pravrutim, that kind of attitude. So attitude of doing late work. Cha, and etan shadadoshan parityaje. These six defects should be eliminated, should be given up by us. Now, next very, very beautiful shlokas. Hmm. अद्भिर्गात्राणि शुध्यन्ति मनः सत्तेन शुध्यति विद्या तपोभ्यां भूतात्मा बुद्धिर्ज्ञानेन शुध्यति अद्भिः गात्राणि शुध्यन्ति मनः सत्येन शुध्यति विद्या तपोभ्यां भूतात्मा बुद्धिः ज्ञानेन शुध्यति अन्वयः rearranging the proper words so that sentence is formed and meaning is fetched. गात्राणि अद्भिः शुध्यन्ति मनः सत्तेन शुध्यति भूतात्मा विद्यातपोभ्याम शुद्ध्यति बुद्धिः ज्ञानेन शुद्ध्यति. Beautiful slok. What purifies what? So the sense or body is purified by water. Mind is purified by speaking truth. Bhutatma, again the Bhutatma, Jiva. Vidya tapobhyam shuddhyati. A person, a self, is purified by vidya, tapa, knowledge and austerity. Buddhi jnanena shuddhyati. Knowledge, intellect is purified by knowledge. Now let us see the meaning. So more elaboration will be there. Pratidinam, every day, snanena, by taking bath, manavasya shariram swachham bhavati. Body of being, human being, swachham bhavati, becomes clean. Satyena manah pavitram bhavati. By speaking truth, mind becomes purified, pure. सत्यकथनेन मनसि द्वन्द्वः भीतिः च न भवति. Satyakathanena, by speaking the truth, the only truth, manasi, in mind, dvandvaha, there are no doubts. Bhitihi, fear, na bhavati, it's not there. Nityam vidyabhyasena parishramena cha jivasya shuddhihi bhavati. Nityam, always, every day, vidyabhyasena, by studying hard and by doing hard work. Jivasya shuddhihi bhavati, by doing tapas, austerity, self become pure. Jnanena cha, by knowledge, buddhihi nirmala bhavati. Whatever wrong notions, ignorance we have, that goes away. Atah, therefore, manushya nityam snanam, satyakathanam, vidyabhyasam, parishramam, jnanarjanam cha kuryat. Atah, therefore, manushya, man, kuryat, should do what? Every day, bath, speaking the truth. Every day study, every day tapas, austerity, hard work, and earning, gaining, acquiring knowledge. Then he will become pure. Now, the definition of India is given very beautifully. Uttaram yat samudrasya हिमाद्रेश्चैव दक्षिणम् वर्षं तद्भारतं नाम भारती यत्र सन्ततिः उत्तरं यत्समुद्रस्य हिमाद्रेश्चैव दक्षिणम् वर्षं तद्भारतं नाम भारती यत्र सन्ततिः उत्तरं यत्समुद्रस्य हिमाद्रेः च एव दक्षिणं वर्षं तद्भारतं नाम भारती यत्र सन्ततिः यत् समुद्रस्य उत्तरं हिमाद्रेः च दक्षिणं तद् एव भारतं नाम वर्षं यत्र भारती सन्ततिः अस्ति अस्मिन् सुभाषिते in this subhashita सुभाषितकारः a writer भारतस्य भौगोलिकं स्वरूपं वर्णयति he explains the geographical appearance of Bharat the geographical explanation of India हिंद महासागरस्य उत्तरभागे हिमालयस्य च दक्षिणभागे यः भूभागः अस्ति हिंद महासागरस्य उत्तरभागे on the north side of हिंद महासागर हिमालयस्य च दक्षिणभागे and on the south side of Himalaya means below हिंद महासागर and on top Himalaya यह भूभागः अस्ति that piece of land is there tasya bhubhagasya of that the land of piece of land nama Bharatvarsham. Name of that land is Bharatvarsham. Bharatvarsham is the name. So that country which is on the north side of ocean and south side of Himalaya that is called Bharata. Atratyaha and here Nagarikaha Bharatiyaha Prasiddhaha. People, those who are living here, Atratyaha Nagarikaha, citizens, Bharatiyaha iti Prasiddhaha. Bharatiya iti Prasiddha, they are भारतीय इति प्रसिद्धाः. Another masterpiece is coming. जलबिन्दुनिपातेन क्रमशः पूर्यते घटः स हेतुः सर्वविद्यानां धर्मस्य च धनस्य च. जलबिन्दुनिपातेन क्रमशः पूर्यते घटः स हेतुः सर्वविद्यानां धर्मस्य च धनस्य च. जलबिन्दुनिपातेन क्रमशः पूर्यते घटः सः हेतुः सर्वविद्यानां धर्मस्य च धनस्य च. Beautiful sloka. Shloka says that just like drop by drop when it falls uh, perpetually, then the pot is filled. Like that, when you do little bit dharma every day, life is fulfilled. When you acquire in every single penny, then there is prosperity in the life. So, bit by bit, you grow more and more. So, you see the picture also. Yatha, as nirantaram, always. Jalasya bindunam nipatanena, by the falling of drops of water. Riktaha api ghataha, empty pot also. Purnaha bhavati, becomes full. Tathaiva, like that, jivane, in life, nirantaram abhyasena, by constant study. सामान्यः अपि मानवः, simple general person also, सर्व प्रकारकम ज्ञानम, all kind of knowledges, dharmam dhanam च लभते, he gets knowledges of all kinds, he gets dharma, righteous things, and dhanam. So if continuously without break, if something is done, good things are done, then knowledge, money, and righteousness comes there. Quite big shlokas. यः पठति लिखति पश्यति परिपृच्छति पंडितानुष oh, no, this tune is यः पठति लिखति पश्यति परिपृच्छति. No, we'll read simply. यः पठति लिखति पश्यति परिपृच्छति पंडितानुष पंडितानुपाश्रयति तस्य दिवाकरकिरणैः नलिनीदलमिव विस्तारिता बुद्धिः. यः पठति लिखति पश्यति परिपृच्छति पंडितान् उपाश्रयति तस्य दिवाकरकिरणैः नलिनीदलम इव विस्तारिता बुद्धिः. वेरी नाइस श्लोक. यह वन हु पठति studies, लिखति writes, पश्यति sees, परिपृच्छति asks, पंडितान उपाश्रयति one who take support or association company of intelligent people, tasya, his buddhi, his intellect, divakara kiranaihi, like by sun's ray, nalini dalamiva vistarita bhavati. Just like when sun's rays they come out, then the lotus blooms. Like that, if some person is writing, studying, seeing, questioning, and being in the company of great people, then his intellect also will grow or bloom or unfold like the lotus which unfolds by the rays of sun. Asmabihi atmavikasaya, by us, atmavikasaya, for one's own unfoldment, sarvatha, always, shrestha janaihi saha, with great people, sangatihi, company, association, वासः stay कर्तव्यः. So for our one's own unfoldment, we should stay, have association with great people. यतो हि यह निरंतरम पठति, यथो because यह निरंतरम पठति, one who studies every day, अर्थात स्वाध्यायम करोति, does self study, लिखति writes, पश्यति sees, विविधान प्रश्नान करोति means he asks many questions, he uh, eliminate his doubts, ज्ञानी जनानाम आश्रये समीपे तिष्ठति, and he sits near jnani jananam, a knowledgeable enlightened people. Tasya buddhihi, his intellect, tathaiva vardate, grows like that, yatha, as suryasya kiranaihi, by the rays of sun, kamalam purnataya vikasitam bhavati, kamala, this lotus, blooms completely like that. Next is the second last sloka, I think. Yes. प्रियवाक्यप्रदानेन सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जन्तवः तस्मात् तदेव वक्तव्यं वचने का दरिद्रता. प्रियवाक्यप्रदानेन सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जन्तवः तस्मात् तदेव वक्तव्यं वचने का दरिद्रता. प्रियवाक्यप्रदानेन, by say, सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जन्तवः तस्मात् तद एव वक्तव्यम वचने का दरिद्रता. सर्वे जन्तवः, all human beings, all living beings, प्रिय वाक्य प्रदानेन तुष्यन्ति, they are satisfied, they are happy by giving or saying pleasant words. Tasmat, therefore, tadev vaktavyam, therefore, the pleasant, sweet words should be spoken by us. Vachane ka daridrata, why there is poverty in speech. Beautiful shloka. Madhura bhashanena, by good speech, sweet speech, sarve api pranina, all living beings. Asmakam sarvani mitrani, our all friends. माता मदर, पिता फादर, भ्राता ब्रदर, इत्यादयः प्रसन्नाः भवन्ति, एक्सेट्रा, दे बिकम हैप्पी. मधुर भाषणेन कापि हानिः नास्ति, एंड ऑन द अदर साइड हानिः, देयर इज नो लॉस. मधुर भाषणेन, बाय स्पीकिंग स्वीट वर्ड्स, देयर इज नो लॉस. अतः देयरफॉर सर्वदा मधुर भाषणम एव, देयरफॉर always Madhura Bhashanam, sweet words should be spoken by all of us. Madhura Bhashanena kadapi sankochah na karaniyam. Kadapi, never ever. Sankochah, hesitate to speak sweet words by us. So never ever we should hesitate to speak sweet words. Now last but not the least. आलस्यं हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थो महान् रिपुः नास्त्युद्यमः समो बन्धुः कृत्वायं नावसीदति. आलस्यं हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थः महान् रिपुः न अस्ति उद्यमसमः बन्धु कृत्वा यम न अवसीदति. ब्यूटिफुल श्लोका. आलस्यम हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थः महान् रिपुः अस्ति. Laziness indeed is great enemy situated in the body of human being. So laziness is the greatest enemy of human being which is staying in our body. Udyamasamah bandhu nasti. There is no friend, there is no brother like hard work. People, yam means by doing hard work, krutva, having done hard work, na avasidati. They don't destroy themselves. That kind of hard work is this. So we should give up laziness and do hard work because it is the greatest enemy alasyam and greatest best friend udyama. And here आलस्यम एव laziness only मनुष्यस्य शरीरे in the body of human being विद्यमानः present महान शत्रुः अस्ति great enemy तत एव अस्माकं that only are कार्यस्य संपादने of doing or completion of the work in the completion of work अवरोधकं भवति it becomes barrier परिश्रमः एव अस्माकं वास्तविकं मित्रम् अस्ति परिश्रमम् एव हार्ड वर्क ओनली अस्माकं आर रियल फ्रेंड वास्तविकं ट्रू फ्रेंड is this hard work यह परिश्रमं करोति one who does hard work सः that fellow that person कदापि दुःखं न प्राप्नोति he never ever gets sorrow in their life. Wow, so we should do hard work. अष्टादश पुराणेषु व्यासस्य वचनद्वयम् परोपकारः पुण्याय पापाय परपीडनम् अष्टादश पुराणेषु व्यासस्य वचनद्वयं परोपकारः पुण्याय पापाय परपीडनम् अष्टादश पुराणेषु व्यासस्य वचनद्वयम् अस्ति in 18 puranas vyasasya vyasji's vachanadvayam two sentences are essence main important teaching what is that paropkarah punyaya in order to get punya you have to help other you have to live for other parapidanam papaya and you have to uh, restrain yourself refrain yourself from bothering other people so if you help people punya if you bother trouble people then papa these are the main teachings so do help people and you must not trouble people महर्षे वेदव्यासस्य अष्टादशः पुराणानां सारः वचने द्वयम् अस्ति महर्षि वेदव्यास जी's essence of 18 Puranas are in two sentences. Paresham upakarena punyam bhavati. By helping others, you acquire sin. You acquire merits, punya. Paresham pidanena, by troubling others, you acquire papam. Ataha, therefore, asmabihi, by us, सर्वदा परोपकारः करणीयः always the help or परोपकारः the life should be for others it should please others अन्येषां पीडनम the torturing of other people never ever it should happen. These are the essence. And with this essence, we finish this our chapter. Question answer will be in second part. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.